Intro. Nobody can come up with a good intro, so this is mine. Welcome to the internet. It's a big place, so let me show you around. I'm going to be going over some basic things to help you keep safe when you're on the internet. These are good things to know. First thing I'm going to show you are some basic rules to help keep you safe. These are mostly common sense, so you probably don't need these. Right? Second, I'm going to show you how to secure your password. You've probably heard this dozens of times before from your parents and from your teachers, but I'm going to show you how to make a really good password that's hard to guess and easy to remember. Third thing I'm going to show you is safe search. Lots of search engines are dangerous out there. There are some bad people with some bad links, and I'm going to show you how to stay safe. Some more things that can keep you safe are extensions and other things like that. Third thing, public Wi-Fi. You often go to McDonald's, probably, right? Fast food? But I'm going to stop talking and get into the first thing, the basic rules. Rule number 1, connect to a Wi-Fi network with a password. I'll go over these reasons later. Rule number 2, be careful of suspicious websites online. There are often sites that are malicious and dangerous. One good example of this is a fake virus alert. Sometimes when you're browsing on Putlocker or other unorthodox sites, you may see a virus warning inside your browser saying that you need to download this software right now to remove your virus. This isn't true because your computer can only be scanned by virus software, not your internet browser, so you should probably be ignoring this. But there are many other examples. Just use your common sense. The next thing on the list is password. You probably have a pretty simple password like password. This isn't a good idea because anyone can guess this. I mean, I just did. Well, I have a pretty good formula that you're free to use if you'd like to. The first part of the formula is the first character, of course, which is a punctuation. It can be a question mark, a comma, period, parenthesis, $, hashtag, exclamation point. The second part is a math symbol. It can be plus, minus, equals, divided by, multiplication, addition, repetition. The second part is a 2 or 4-digit numeral, which is memorable or important to you, like the year of your first car or the year you were born. And the last part of the password is a 5 or 6 character word capitalized on the last letter, which is important or memorable to you, like your last name or your nickname. And using these together will give you a secure but easy to remember password as long as you remember this password scheme. This thing makes things very simple and streamlines the process as it fits most of the requirements for any modern website sign-up process. Next on the list is safe search. Usually when you start surfing the internet, you start with your browser. And where do you go first on your browser? Bing! Or, Google. Often there are websites on the internet that aren't very safe. This is where safe search comes in. This filters out websites that aren't fit for children or are harmful to your web browser. Remember, always keep safe search enabled. Next, we have extensions like Web of Trust and AdBlock. Web of Trust is the next Chrome extension that will tell you whether a site has a good or bad reputation. If you see green, you're good. If you see yellow, it's okay, but people have reported that it's not good. If it's red, you better leave the site. And there's also AdBlock. You probably know what AdBlock is. It gives sort of those nagging ads on the side of the page. This can often get rid of ads that can be harmful to your computer that exploit vulnerabilities inside your operating system. Coming in at number 4, public Wi-Fi. You often probably connect to open Wi-Fis, whether it be at your home or your local coffee shop, but these are often dangerous because anyone can connect to it, and if anyone can connect to it, they immediately have access to your router, and which is also connected to your laptop or cellular device. And if it's connected to your cellular device or your laptop, they can get past the firewall, well, then that's bad. But often when you connect to an unsecured network, your computer gives you a firewall warning, unless you're on a Mac. And if you don't allow connections through your firewall, let's put a screenshot up there. Yeah, do that. What the screenshot says. And that pretty much wraps it up. We've gone over basic rules of the internet's passwords, safe search, extensions, and public Wi-Fi and firewalls. Those are probably some of those things you probably didn't know about, and hopefully it was helpful to you. But unless most of the time searching on the internet is just gonna be common sense, unless you don't have that kind of thing. I mean, who needs common sense? But anyway, thank you for watching, and outro.